Hello everyone and welcome to my art and cooking channel. I'm Cynthia Maynard. Thank you so much for taking time to stop by today. If you enjoy the following video, if you could like, share, and subscribe, that would help my channel out tons and tons. And you can check out the links down below. So today I have in my Strathmore Tone Gray paper journal here some color pencil quick drawing, and by quick I mean very provincial here, of what I think is called a viola pansy. I think I've got that right. It reminded me of maybe a flower from the 50s with its little hairdo here. But so I am using mostly Mungio Gallery oil pastels. I've got my my Paul Rubens Haya pastels, and then I have my Art Echo there as well. So they each kind of bring to the table some really nice colors, and they're all quite affordable. So and they do really well on this paper. And so I sort of just did a rough block in with the colored pencils. You don't have to do that, but sometimes I do that just depending on the mood I'm in and how confident I think I can be in the drawing, which sometimes is not very confident. So it's nice to do it in colored pencil because the oil pastel will go over any mistakes that I make. So just layering in colors here, just got my little knob of white there. I finally found my Paul Rubens. I had a set of all white, so I have that out now that I can use because I was getting down to the stubs there for my whites. But and then just layering in blues and purples and pinks, and it was a lot of fun to paint. And you know, if you haven't tried oil pastels, you might want to consider it. It's also something that works really well with other things like acrylic paint and gouache, and like I'm using here, color pencil and over watercolor and inks. So it's a great tool to use if you enjoy mixed media as well. Or you can use them all on their own. And I use a lot of mine, for example, like this flower, I'll take a picture of it and remove the background, and I use it to make my surface pattern designs. Sorry about my nail polish there. It's coming off. I'm down just a little bit there. Not really a nail person, so I had a hard time knowing how to get that off. So sorry about that, looking kind of scruffy. Going in with some greens, and I love these like light color, sort of, it's almost like a seafoamy sort of green, that light one, and then back to those yellow undertoned greens. I really gravitate towards those, and the turquoises, I feel like they go really well with that. But this was fun. Like I said, it's very dramatic sort of looking flower, and a fun chance to use various colors and to layer on some things, and kind of happy, cheerful flower. And yeah, like I said, I will leave links below. I'll go ahead and put some music on. You can enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you in the next one.